Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how to create a password for your Instagram account. That is, how to change it. Please subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Watch this video to the end. Let's get started. For this, we need to go to Instagram on any device. It can be a phone, tablet, or computer. Next, you need to click in the bottom right corner on your profile. In the upper right corner, click the three bars, Settings and Privacy. Media Account Center. Here we open Password and Security. Then change password. Choose your Instagram account where we want to change the password. And now here we have to write the old password that we had before. As you can see, it was changed for me on 04.04/2021. Enter my old password. After that, click New Password. Come up with, and here we confirm our new password. This is the easy way to change it. Also, do not forget that your new password must consist of at least 6 characters. And they must include the main letter, exclamation mark, dots, as well as numbers and letters. This is how easy it is to do and change it. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Thank you all for watching this video to the end. Goodbye.